Alright, here we are again. Once again, walking the stairs up and down. It's a bit sunny today. Well, you see the sun time to time. And it's only minus 15, I think, so a little less today. But yeah, the stairs are quite icy and frozen, so need to be a little bit careful. But other than that, it's fine. Now for a little walk, maybe 2.5 kilometers, and then we hit the gym, and after that we have 60 minutes of floorball / indoor hockey. So I try to remember to take some footage of that if you don't know what it is. But yes, very cool looking trees. Just look at the trees. They are absolutely stunning. All frozen up, covered with snow. And I think I see someone in the distance. So no, today I'm not alone. There are people who go for a walk, but the stairs, I don't know why they don't do that so much. In the summertime there is a lot of people who does it. So there's the new football stadium building up.